Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna go check out the new update. Even though I haven't done the new chicken update or the new thing update.
Guys, come on, there's a war at the entrance of office, let's go!
This is my fan code. It's my fan code JLANDY.
Not on my wall.
Can someone give me a grappler though?
This is my fan code right here. If you want to join, I'll be in there every Friday and Saturday and Sunday, but not on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Only on Fridays and Saturdays and Sundays. So I'm going sewer. Yeah. So I'm gonna put it that for right now. I have like everything in the game. Kind of crazy. First we'll go sort it, then we'll come back for this. I don't know what the next update's gonna be, but like, I bet it's gonna be something, probably something to do with Ogre or something. It's probably like update Ogre or something. Or to play red or green. That's oh, the cluster grenade. Oh my gosh, it's dancing. I think. Oh wow, I died. I died right there. Wow. I died right there. Wow, I did right there. That's one joint. No. That was. Let's go back to grapple hook here. Right. Okay, yeah. Yo. That impulse. Kind of impulse grenade now. But that's here, chicken. Okay, I guess we got regular green right now. I think probably in the next update they'll probably update red. Trying to jump him. Yeah, my head's pretty low, so might be a short video, not a long video. But I'll try to make it as long as I can. So I'm not gonna show you the update yet, but I'll show you guys later if I have time or tomorrow. But I think like there's this one. This. That's hard. I'm almost in like 10 research points so far. I don't know why I can do for them. Yo, I got 10 research points. It's crazy. Oh! Oh, now. He's slow. I realized. He's a bit slower now. Okay. So I'll do the black hole update, chicken update. I'll show you guys that one. So I think they don't have that thing anymore. They had. Forgot. had. So they have a one over here, and grab. Okay, come on, just let it die.